To install Forge to Minecraft 1.19.3 or later is actually very simple. So the first thing we need to do is to make sure we've got the correct Minecraft files downloaded so we can install Forge. To do this, you want to open up your Minecraft launcher and you want to select the version of Minecraft you want to load. So in this case we're using 1.19.3 and then you want to click on play. So once Minecraft has loaded and we have the files installed, you just want to go ahead and quit the game. So now we've got the Minecraft files downloaded, we can go ahead and download Forge. So to do this, you want to open up your Minecraft launcher and you want to go to files.minecraftforge.net and I'll leave a link in the description. Once you're here, you want to click on your Minecraft version from the left hand side menu. In this case we're using 1.19.3. Once you've done this, you want to navigate to where it says downloaded recommended and then you want to click on the installer button. Once you've done this, an advert will pop up and you just want to wait 5 seconds and then click on the skip button in the top right hand corner. You then want to go ahead and download the installer, so in this case I'm going to save the installer to my desktop. Okay, so now we've got the Forge installer downloaded, we just want to go ahead and open it up. And to do this you want to right click on it, click on open with and select the Java platform. If you don't see this, you want to click on choose another app and then you want to select the Java platform from this long list of apps here. You then want to click on always and then the Forge installer should open up. Just bear in mind you will need Java installed to your computer and I will have a video tutorial linked in the description. So when the Forge installer opens up, it's actually very simple. All we need to do is make sure install client has been ticked and you want to make sure your Minecraft installation is correct, in this case it is. You then want to click on OK and it will go ahead and install Forge to Minecraft and it will only take a few seconds. Once it's done, you get a pop-up saying it's been successfully installed, so you just want to click on OK and now Forge has been successfully installed to Minecraft. So to install Forge mods to Minecraft, all we need to do is open up our Minecraft launcher and then in the version drop down menu you want to select the version of Forge you've just installed. If you don't see it, you may need to restart your Minecraft launcher. Once you've done this, you want to click on play, then you want to click on I understand the risks and click on play. So when Minecraft opens up, you know you've successfully installed Forge because you get the Forge information down below. So to install mods, you just want to click on the mods option and then you want to click on open mods folder in the bottom left. Once the mods folder opens up, you just want to go ahead and drag and drop all of the mods you want to install to Minecraft. Once you've done this, you want to exit out of the mods folder, then click on done in Minecraft, then you want to go ahead and restart your game. So once Minecraft has restarted, you notice that your mods count has increased, and if we go back to the mods option, you notice that all of your mods have been added to this left hand side menu. So we can go ahead and click on done, and we can go ahead and start playing Minecraft with our mods just as we normally would. And that's it. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as I can.